Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Behind me is the HZ7 dump trailer. With a GVWR of 15,260 pounds and slide-in ramps, this is the perfect trailer for construction, landscaping, or roofing. It comes in either bumper pull or gooseneck with length options of 12 up to 16 feet and has two 7K Lippert electric brake spring axles. 2-foot 10-gauge sides are standard, but are upgradable to the 3 or 4-foot sides with a 7-gauge flooring. Follow me as I go through all the features it has to offer. The trailer we are reviewing today is the bumper pull 14-foot length with 2-foot sides. At the front, it features a spring-loaded drop leg jack, upgradable to the hydraulic jacks if you don't like cranking. A 2 5/16 Demco easy latch adjustable coupler, 3/8 grade 70 safety chains, electric breakaway kits, and a 7-way RV all-weather wiring harness. In between the tongue, it features a mega toolbox which houses the battery charger, hydraulic pump, and has some extra space for tools, chains, or other equipment. We also added a nice little light for the toolbox. The remote comes standard wired. It has power up, power down, and gravity down, and is upgradable to the wireless remote. It comes standard with a spare tire mount and an optional spare tire. The tongue and main frame are made of 8-inch I-beam weighing in at 13 pounds per foot. A nice little detail we added is the LED backlit laser cut Horizon emblem and the side step for easy access to the dump. The frame of the dump bed is made of 5x5 by 5/16 angle iron with 3-inch channel cross members spaced 16 inches apart. A 5x15-inch cylinder and 15,000-pound hoist lifts the 12-foot dump, and a 6x21-inch cylinder with 20,000-pound hoist for the 14 and 16-foot dump. The dump tilt angle ranges from 45 to 49 degrees depending on the trailer length. One awesome highlight that make the Horizon dumps stand out are the rounded sides. Not only are they nice and clean looking, but also durable because of the rolled 10-gauge steel plate. Also on top, it features a 3x5 by 11-gauge tubing with 3/8-inch L-hooks and ID stake pockets. 12-gauge diamond plate steel fenders and has two 7K Lippert electric brake spring axles for the running gear. 10-ply tires on 16-inch black mod wheels. This one has been upgraded to the nice aluminum wheels. At the rear of the dump, it has a functional 3-way gate. You have the standard barn doors, also the spreader gate for spreading sand or gravel. Opening the doors, they have D-rings so you can lock them in place when you're unloading a load so they don't come down. The bed height is 28 inches with 7-gauge flooring. 4 D-rings for securing cargo, and the manual tarp kit comes standard. It has two 4-inch channel heavy-duty ramps and stabilizers. The lights are DOT approved LED lights, and it has marker lights in the back and also along the side for extra visibility. And like with all of our other trailers, this trailer goes through a 6-step painting process, which includes steel grit blasting and powder coat, ensuring the paint is durable. And with 10 color options to choose from for the frame, and 10 colors for the dump, that gives you 100 different color combinations to really personalize it to your liking. Also, it features a 3-year structure and 1-year component warranty, plus all our trailers are NATM certified, ensuring that if you buy our trailers, they will be top quality. For more information, please check us out on our website at horizontrailers.com. Until next time.